deliveries reached over 112,000 vehicles in a single quarter. It's hard to think of a similar product with such strong demand that it can generate more than $20 billion in revenue with zero advertising spend. The highest demand electric vehicle in the world with no advertising spend. At our Fremont factory, we were producing at a rate roughly the same as the NUMMI factory did in its record year of 2006. This rate of production was achieved before we even started to produce the Model Y out of Fremont. So there's a lot of potential to go beyond that number. For the Shanghai factory, I'd like to say congratulations again to the team in Shanghai on launching Model 3 last quarter and achieving the first deliveries earlier this year. I'm really excited and optimistic about the potential for the Shanghai factory. I think it's going to be an incredible asset to the company. And we also broke ground on the Model Y factory in Shanghai. Regarding Model Y, it was only 10 months ago that we revealed a Model Y prototype. And now, in January this year, we started producing Model Y in limited volumes already. We managed to achieve by far the highest energy efficiency of any electric SUV ever produced at 4.1 miles per kilowatt hour. Model Y all-wheel drive got an EPA rating of 315 miles, above what we previously stated by a pretty significant margin. With the Cybertruck, the demand has been incredible. We'll sell as many as we can make. It's going to be pretty nuts. The product is better than people realize even. They don't even have enough information to realize just the awesomeness of it. It's just great. Stepping back, in 2018, from a financial standpoint, we were free cash flow was break even. But in 2019, we managed to generate more than $1 billion free cash flow while building a factory in Shanghai in record time and while building parts of Model Y production. So I think for us to have this level of free cash flow while making massive investments in capacity, while developing new products, while improving the core engineering is a testament to the, I think, incredible performance of the Tesla team, and I'm just so proud to work with such a great team. I'd like to thank the whole Tesla team for their ongoing work on cost control. Is what has allowed us to get to these compelling financial numbers while at the same time growing the company at an incredible pace. In conclusion, when I think of what we have in front of us the next couple of years, we've got Model Y, we've got Giga Berlin, Tesla Semi, solar glass roof, Cybertruck, some very exciting improvements in back battery technology, we've got full self-driving, got the next-gen Roadster, and probably a bunch of other products we'll come up with too. It's hard to think of another company that has a more exciting product and technology roadmap. So, super fired up about where Tesla will be, in the next 10 years. If you look back 10 years from today to 2010, we will produce approximately 1,000 times more cars in 2020 than we produced in 2010. And we have also solar glass and solar retrofit and Powerwall, Power Pack, all those